Welcome to the Physical Science class. My name is Nora Ortega and I am happy to be your instructor this semester. You can contact me via Canvas email or you can ask for an appointment. Let's see what topics we are going to study this semester in this course. Let me define physical science. It is the science that studies non-living systems that include physics, chemistry, and astronomy. But in this course, we will focus in two topics, physics and chemistry. In the first weeks, we will review some math concepts. Then we will move the topics that are related to physics. And in the last part of the semester, we will study the topics that are related to chemistry. We will start studying the concepts of force and motion, and then we will study different kinds of forces. One of them is the gravity force. We will study the concept of energy too, and then we will review the concepts of work from the physics point of view and the relation between energy, work, and force. Then we will learn the concept about heat, and we will see the heat is a special kind of energy. And then we will study the relation between heat and the phase change of matter. Then we will discuss the wave concept, which is an energy that travels as a vibration. We will focus on two kinds of waves, sound and light. Later, we will discuss the basic concepts of electricity and magnetism. In the last part of the course, we will discuss some chemistry topics. For example, we will discuss the atomic model, the periodic table, the chemical reactions and chemical bonds, and the nuclear reaction. Now, I want to mention some tips to succeed in this class. The first one is you must have positive attitude and believe you can succeed in this course. The second one is you must ask for help if you need it. Don't wait until the end of the semester when it's late to someone help you. And the last one is complete all your assignments on time. In this semester, we had a homework. We had about 11 lab shifts, means that correspond to the experiments, pre-labs and appendices that correspond to the lab manual. You will have 2 special lab reports, 3 tests, and the final exam. It's very important that you follow this rule in order to complete and submit the assignments. The first thing I want you to remember when you are working on your assignments is all of them will be assigned and submitted via Canvas. You must show all your work to receive credit. All problems must be submitted in sequence. The assignments can be submitted in PDF, doc, JPEG, or PNG files. Please don't submit .pages files or links in your assignment. The reason is I cannot open this kind of files or links in Canvas. To submit your work, you must take 1 picture per page and submit them as individual files. This is one option. The second option is you can copy and paste the images in a Word document. Please, 1 photo per page, and submit all your work in 1 Word file. One more thing I want you take into account is that late work will be received a 10% deduction per week. However, no credit will be given to assignments that are more than 1 week late. I encourage to students that install scanner software in their cell phones that allow transferring paper-based information into digital PDF documents. One good app to do that is Scanner and work really nicely if you use your cell phone. In addition, I want to mention the homework will be from your textbook. At the end of each chapter, you will find the parallel exercises group B and A. The homework is always from group B. However, the solution of the parallel exercises group A can be found in Appendix A of your textbook. These solutions can use as a guide to solve Group B. Let me talk about the tentative schedule. In this table, you will find the summary of our course, what topics we will cover, the respective chapter in our textbook, and what activities or assignments you must complete that particular week. For example, labs, lab manuals, and homework. In the first week, for labs, you need to complete the lab number 1, which is measurements, and you need to complete appendices H and E from your lab manual and the pre-lab 1. You can find additional information, for example, in the third week, you will find the practice test, which is a study guide to be ready for the actual test 1. You will find also the dates you must take the test 1, the test 2, the test 3, and the final exam. I suggest you to review this schedule each week. In this slide, I want to mention what are the total hours you must work per week. Our course is a 4-credit class, so the number of hours, including class plus study, expected for a student must be multiplied by 3. So if we multiply 4 times 3, we will get 12 hours. So it's expected that each student spend 12 hours per week working in this course. I believe all students that are registered in this course can complete the course successfully, but I need you to work hard from the first week to the last week of the semester. I will help you as much as I can, but you also need to do your best throughout the course. Now we are going to talk about the grading policy. It's important that the students understand that each point counts, and it's essential to try to obtain them. In the grading distribution, we had the homework and the lab sheet correspond to the 30%, the lab manual and the special lab reports correspond to the 14%, the 3 tests, the 36%, and the final exam is the 20%. And the grading scale is the following. A corresponds to 90.0 to 100. B corresponds to 80.0 to 89.9. C to 70.0 to 79.9. And D from 60.0 to 69.9. Any grade less than 60.0 corresponds to F. If you need additional help with the course material, the Chesapeake College offers a tutoring program. I suggest you to contact Ms. Marilu, who is our embedded tutor. You can either send an email to her or make an appointment. All this information is in Canvas. I encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity. In this part, I want to show you how the course is organized on Canvas. In the first part, you will find the general information like the syllabus, which I encourage you to read. Also the Google Meeting link in case of you want to meet with me virtually. the tutoring information, trio program information, and some additional information about college. Our course is organized by weeks. In the first week, you will find the to-do list. It's all the activities you must complete. Then you will find an introduction of this course that I encourage you to take time to watch this video. Then you will find the audio presentations which correspond to the material we will cover during that particular week. And then you will find the assignments. Some of the assignments you need to submit a document, and some of them, which is the case of the appendices H and E, you need to complete online. In addition, you need to complete the lab number 1. It is very important that in each of these assignments you read the instructions and follow them in order to complete each of the assignments. Similar structure you will find in each week. As you can see, in the week number 2, we had the to-do list, the audio presentation, and the assignments. In case of the week 2, we had, in addition, the homework number 1. As mentioned before, this is from your textbook and corresponds to the parallel problems group B. It's important to follow the rules that apply to homework in order to submit them correctly. And similar structure you will find in each week. We had total 15 weeks. Here we had some additional notes that I would like to mention. The first one is the most communication will be via Canvas course announcements. For that reason, it's important that you check your Canvas email regularly. The student is responsible for watching and listening to the audio presentations to complete all the assignments on time. We will have a weekly agenda that we call the to-do list that is posted in Canvas under each week, and that agenda includes all the tasks that students must complete. We can meet via Google Meet by appointment if you want me to answer questions live. Please feel free to email me if you had any questions. It's essential that you don't wait until the last minute to ask for help. In this presentation, I mentioned some aspects of the syllabus, but I suggest you to read the entire syllabus. I am looking forward to working together throughout the semester. I will be more than happy if I can help you.